Loopring on the daily chart. Now we had a very nice strong move to the upside. Where do we go from here? I really don't have a lot of data to work with because this chart's basically been in hibernation mode for so long and all of a sudden start to pop off. Now I do have some data back in 2018. What I'm going to start to use it as potential support. I'm going to use that pivot high, this pivot low, and then I'm going to project it to this new recent high. If I were to make this calculation, you can see the selling pressure is stronger than the pullback back in 2018. So that tells me there could be some more sell-offs that could take place going forward. But right now, it's really hard for me just to look at this chart and be like, let's go long, because what could we do next? I'm looking at this pullback right here. Now if I were to project it to this new recent pivot high, that could bring us down lower to around $2.16. If we're not going to push for new recent highs, then I'm looking for the next pullback. Now I'm going to look at that area also with some Fibonacci retracements, looking from that pivot low to pivot high. When I do make this pull, we do have a 50% retracement that overlaps that symmetry support work that we just did. But that doesn't mean it's definitely going to pull off. But that doesn't mean it's going to start selling off right at that area, come back into my two price relationship, not a third. So with Loopring, I can't explain the tokenomics. I don't like to read those white papers. I don't know how people do these things. I have some notes over here. It says ZK roll-up layer 2 for trading and payment. I don't even know what that means, okay? I'm looking at this chart. I'm looking at to see if I can get some pullbacks that's going to help me find a three-price relationship. If I don't have a three-price relationship, I'm not going to participate in this chart until I can find something that works according to my trading plan. And that's what we focus on. We got to have clarity on our trading plan so we can commit to it with the correct business sizing. And you got to have composure throughout the whole process. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.